A day at school. I go to school from Monday to Friday. My school day starts early in the morning. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get ready for school. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and put on my school clothes. My uniform is blue and white. For breakfast, I eat cereal with milk and a banana. Breakfast gives me energy for school. I leave my house at 8 a.m. My father drives me to school. Sometimes, I walk to school with my friend who lives next door. School begins at 8:30 a.m. The first thing we do is say good morning to our teacher. Then we sit at our desks. My first class is English. We learn new words and practice speaking. I like English class because the teacher is nice. After English, we have math class. We learn numbers and how to solve problems. Math is a bit difficult, but I try my best. At 10:30 a.m., we have a break. I eat a small snack and play with my friends in the schoolyard. We play ball games and talk about fun things. After the break, we have science class. We learn about animals, plants, and the world around us. It is very interesting. At 12:30 p.m., it is time for lunch. I eat in the school cafeteria with my classmates. Today, I have a sandwich, an apple, and water. After lunch, we have art class. I love to draw and paint. Today, we make pictures of animals with colored paper. The last class is history. We learn about the past and different countries. Our teacher tells us interesting stories. School ends at 3:30 p.m. I say goodbye to my friends and my teachers. My mother picks me up at the school gate. On the way home, I tell her about my day at school. When I get home, I have a snack and start my homework. I need to finish it before dinner. I enjoy my days at school. I learn new things and spend time with my friends. School is fun.